What's going on, guys? I just came back in from fishing and I'm freezing right now, but I just want to let everybody know, do not let that cold weather intimidate you. Guys, that weather could be some of the best fishing. I'm telling you right now, check out today's video, you will see what I mean. There's one. This is a big one. This is a big one. Yeah. This is a big one. You see it? Wow, thank you. Look at the colors on this one. Beautiful, beautiful pattern. Oh, there we go. There we go. Smoked it. Smoked it, dude. As soon as it tapped the bottom. Just hammered it. Fish coming. That hit so hard. That was so satisfying. There you go. Oh, look at him. You can tell he hit hard. Just choked the jig. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, sir. Freezing my nuts off out here. Nice walleye. Beautiful fish. Loins, that's loins.
25, right, Aham?
Yeah, number 25. There you go, brother.
Thank you. Good job.
That's a big one. Oh, nice. Nice catch, Hai-chan. Oh, there's one. Yes. Yeah. Oh, it's a good one. It's a good one. Sold today. Oh, malfunction. Malfunction. Real malfunction. As soon as you got one, Hai-chan, they coming. They coming. Fish coming.
no.
That's my fish.
Hey, mine's in the mouth.
Yours wasn't inside today.
Yours ain't even on the fish.
Fell out. Stick with that story. I saw it in the face. Look, see, you're not even in them.
It came out. It's just recent too, eh? Yeah. There we go. Talking to height. Yeah, it was. That was weird. What the hell? I thought it was a snag. No, it's a nice one. Here we go. Here she comes in that north wind. Oh, for sure. Damn, I was in the mouth. Holy cow, it's a fat one. Oh, it came right out. Thank you, Chief.
That's a huge one.
That is a big one. Holy, that's the biggest one of the year.
Lots of nice action today. Get out there, go fish. Who cares? Just send it. Full send is what did it for us today. Keep casting. Those fish will still bite in those windy, cold conditions. Thank you for watching today's episode, guys. Like, subscribe, leave me a comment. I'm gonna go back to getting warm. Man, today was not easy, but if you did persevere through it, you were rewarded. Lots of nice fish caught today. Everybody caught a nice fish. It was just amazing, the action out there in that terrible condition. Have a beautiful day and even better night.